Hi, good morning, dear students. Last class we discussed about the resistors, how resistors are connected in circuit, series and parallel, and which are the factors that influence the effective resistance. In a circuit, when resistors are connected in series, what happens? The current, voltage, and effective resistance all are we discussed, and problems also we solved. Now we are going to discuss about the uses of heating effect of electricity. Early class we discussed about the heating effect of electric current. An important law we discussed, that Joule's law. Based on the Joule's law, we get three equations to find the heat generated in a current carrying conductor. That is, H is equal to I square RT, H is equal to VIT, and H is equal to V square T by R. Now we discuss about the uses of heating effect of electricity. In our daily life, many uses we need. For getting heat, many devices are used in our daily life. For example, iron box is used for iron the clothes. Heat energy is needed. Electric oven, electric cooker, and many other devices, soldering iron, all are used in our daily life. How they are worked? In these appliances, electrical energy converted to heat energy. Energy conversion of heat appliances are electrical energy converts into heat energy, which is the main part of electric appliances. How heat energy converted into electrical energy converted into heat energy. Here, in all heat appliances, the important part is heating coil. Heating coil is made up of with nichrome. Nichrome is an alloy of nickel, chromium, and iron. In that word, two metal name, nichrome, nickel and chromium, and also iron. Nickel, chromium, iron are the components of nichrome. Why nichrome is selected to make heating oil? What are the advantages of nichrome? There are four main advantages. They are given: high resistivity, that is main important factor, high resistivity, high melting point, high ductility, the ability to remain in red hot condition for a long time without getting oxidized. These are the main important advantages of nichrome for making heating oil. Heating oil is the part that converts heat energy into electrical energy. Then another device used based on the heating effect of electric current, that is safety fuse. Safety fuse. What is the use of fuse in electric circuit? Or you see fuse in your house, electrical circuit. If you watch it, you can see fuse. Where fuse is used? Nowadays, instead of fuse, breakers are used. Breaker, MCB, ELCB, all are different types of the breaker. In olden wiring, many fuses are used. Now also used in meter board a big fuse is connected. What is the use of fuse? Fuse is used to cut circuit. There are different types of fuse are used. At the time of short circuit or overloading, the fuse wire melt and the circuit become disconnect. That is the function of fuse. When many devices are working in same time, or any time phase and neutral come contact, this two time what happened, the current in the circuit increased. When current increased, if the current is increased, the heat energy produced or generated in the wire and it will become heated. So this time fuse melt and break the circuit. That is the function of the safety fuse in a circuit. So what is the advantage of the fuse wire? When we discuss the advantage of nichrome, high melting point is the advantage, but in fuse wire low melting point is the advantage of the fuse wire. Fuse wire is made with two metals, that is tin and nickel. Tin and lead, not nickel. Tin and lead. Tin and lead, these two metals are low melting metal. So alloy of tin and lead are used for making fuse wire. There are two important points here. We study that overloading and short circuit. What is overloading? What is short circuit? Different types of the fuses are used in different devices. For example, in amplifier, in all electrical devices, small and big fuses are used. For each fuse have a function that when current increase the circuit, cut the circuit and appliances from the excessive current. That is the main function of fuse. There are some precautions are to be taken at the time of using of fuse. Which are the precautions? The ends of the fuse wire must be connected firmly at appropriate points. In fuse there are 2 points. The ends of the fuse wire must be connected firmly at appropriate point. That is one precautions. Another one, the fuse wire should not project out of the carrier base. For fuse, a carrier base, in that carrier base not project the fuse wire. These are the 2 precautions to be taken when we use the fuse. So fuse is a device that works based on the heat effect of electric current. Then many devices are used based on the heating effect of the electricity. Next, electric power. In 9th standard we discuss about the power. What is power? Power, P is equal to W by T. That is the equation to find power.
Are you remember we study a chapter in 9th standard, work, power and energy. So what is work? In an heat appliances, it works. That work is equal to the heat produced. The heat produced is the work. So we on equation used to find power, that is equal to P is equal to W by T. W work by time. Here the work is equal to heat generated. So we can rewrite that equation by using W is equal to H. So we get P is equal to H by T. P is equal to H by T. That is the power. Power is equal to, or P is equal to heat by time, or H by T. So we get an equation to find the power. P is equal to H by T. The unit of power is watt. According to Joule's law, we get H is equal to I square RT. H is equal to I square RT. So P is equal to H by T. When we rewrite this equation, we get H is equal to I square RT by T. So we get P is equal to I square R. P is equal to I square R. That is equation to find power of a device. By Ohm's law, according to Ohm's law, we get equation R is equal to V by I. By using this equation, we can rewrite this equation also. By we get P is equal to V square by R, and another one equation P is equal to V by VI. So total 3 equations we get. One equation P is equal to I square R, P is equal to VI, and P is equal to V square by R. Some problems are given based on these equations and find out the answers. That is given in the screen. You look and copy to your notebook. Now our class stop here. The next portion about the lighting effect of the electric current, that we can take next class. Okay, thank you.